Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super exciting topic, the best AI tools for video editing in 2025. If you're a content creator, filmmaker, or just someone who loves making videos, you don't want to miss this. Stay tuned till the end because these tools will save you time, money, and effort. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Let's jump right in. Runway ML. Starting off strong, we have Runway ML. This AI-powered tool is perfect for creating stunning visual effects and editing videos effortlessly. It can automatically remove backgrounds, upscale videos, and even generate content based on your prompts. It's a game changer for anyone looking to take their editing skills to the next level. Descript. Next up is Descript, an all-in-one tool that's making waves in the video editing world. Descript lets you edit videos as easily as editing a text document. It can also transcribe audio, remove filler words, and even clone your voice. It's perfect for creators who want to streamline their workflow. Adobe Premiere Pro with AI enhancements to Premiere Pro has been a favorite for years, and now with its AI updates, it's even better. The Sensei AI feature helps you with auto-reframing for social media, color grading, and smart audio adjustments. If you're already using Adobe products, this will feel like a natural upgrade. Pictory. If you want to turn scripts or blog posts into engaging videos, Pictory is the tool for you. It uses AI to analyze your text and creates videos with relevant visuals, animations, and captions. It's perfect for marketers and educators who need quick and professional-looking videos. Topaz Video. Topaz Video AI specializes in enhancing video quality. Whether you're working with old footage or just want to upscale your videos to 4K, this tool does it all. It uses advanced AI models to reduce noise, sharpen details, and create buttery smooth slow-motion effects. CapCut. Last but not least is CapCut, a free yet powerful AI video editor that's perfect for TikTokers, YouTubers, and Instagram creators. With its auto-captioning, music syncing, and AI-generated effects, it makes creating viral videos super easy. And there you have it, the best AI tools for video editing in 2025. These tools are revolutionizing the way we create and edit videos, making it faster and more fun than ever before. Before you go, let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try. And if you already use any of these, share your experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.